did it. Nice. I'm sold.
You're sold?
It's bumpy when the field's hard. It's still frozen a bit.
You guys from Chilliwack?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's from Surrey. I'm from Chilliwack.
I'm Donovan. I'm Brian. Nice to meet you. Yeah, good. I run the Chilliwack Arts. Just getting into flying. What do you got for? Oh, I got Rick's old Corsair and his old 450 Elegant. Nice. I can't fly the 450. I just started with an MS. I was feeling I'll do a lot better with playing. But I didn't know. My drifter during a competition, $100 for new shafts. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And I'm looking at parts for like the helis, and I'm just like, whole new, whole everything forward. Yeah. You know. That's for 450. Oh, high alpha. I've just been watching Rick a lot. Rick does the high alpha. Rick?
He was. What? Him and his. Well, we fly in Richmond.
Oh, yeah, cool.
And him and his buddies. He was showing them. He's like, look at this. They try and do.
That is Luke's. One way over there. Oh, way over where? What happened to the guy?
I don't know who's controlling that.
Babe, can you check if my timer's going?
Too loud.
It's a self.
I don't know about this field if they can fly gas. Oh, really short like this. That one way over there is a real plane.
Oh yeah. The props are in that back when he cuts it.
Yeah, they're eating that. Breaking down my
If you go in and get out of there, you walk $100.
How long does it fly for?
10 minutes max.
Probably closer
Yeah,
to a second.
Like my Gillies, that'll fly for about 6-7
Yeah, I like the logo. Just spent the mini 5 minutes in there.
I'm looking at the voting results. Two that are four. Really?
Yeah, so I moved those and put them, like I made it so I could make multiple votes. Then once I was finished, I made it so you could only lock it up.
Oh.
And then Penny's like, I want to vote on it. And I told her, well, you know, you're not a member of the club, you know. Yeah, but you know the password. And then she goes, then we can go to my store and vote on it there. And I'm like,
That's like, right? That's one.
Gets upside down.
Yeah, that's the half price version, right? Yeah, it's called
A lot of experience. We're going to do that. Click it right upside down.
Whoa!
Oh, what'd you do?
I hit the tree.